The top focus now, after weeks of tussle, the Amit Shah rally at the Victoria House venue in Kolkata will go as per the plans of the BJP. The Calcutta High Court's conditional note to the BJP has handed another talking point to Amit Shah to target West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee. The rally is significant considering it is going to be held at the Victoria House venue, which has so far remained Mamata's exclusive domain. Even the CPM has kept away from this venue. The BJP's challenge will be to ensure the rally matches up to expectations, all stops being pulled to ensure it's a success without its star speaker, Narendra Modi. This also is a huge tactical win for the BJP that was at times ready with a plan B. The BJP had applied back in July for permission to use the venue, but its request was repeatedly rejected by various city agencies as well as the police. It was then that the BJP moved the Calcutta High Court alleging a political motive.
Preparations for the Uttan Divas rally in central Kolkata for BJP is almost in the last leg. All preparations are almost over. There had been a lot of debate over the stage that was constructed here. The stage size has been precisely exactly 960 square feet, which is probably the smallest stage till now by any political party in this arena. Till now, there have been other stages that have been constructed by other political parties, including CPIM and also Trinamool Congress, which have been more than 100 square feet in size, or rather more than 200 square feet in case of the 21st July Mamata Banerjee rally. This stage had been in debate because TMC government had said that they would not grant permission to this, and that's the reason why there had been a court order after which it was finally agreed to. Beyond this, there have been supporters who have started pouring in from different parts of the state. They have been arriving despite braving the weather this time. Remember, this has been one of the biggest and most important rally with Amit Shah addressing it, and there are posters like these called Shaheed Smorane, that means in the remembrance of the martyrs of Chaumandalpur, Makra and Hasra area, where people, rather supporters of BJP, have lost their lives on different occasions, especially during the fight with Trinamool Congress supporters. There has been a lot of violence that the state has witnessed, and this time this rally is expressed not only to bring more morale boosting for the supporters of BJP, but also establishing their presence in the state. With camera person Chitrabhanu Pathak, this is Manogya Loiwal in Kolkata for Headlines Today.
Well, let me go across to my colleague Manogya Loiwal now, joining me over the phone line from Kolkata. Manogya, we just played out that report that you've sent for us. Now, the big point over here is preparations are all in place. The stage might be small over there at the Uttan rally, but Amit Shah's ambition very big.
Well, absolutely. This is one of the biggest rallies that we're expecting this year as far as BJP is concerned. It's almost one of the biggest and most crucial rallies of BJP till now, considering the fact that they have been trying to operate out of West Bengal the way they have been functioning, and with the BJP president now approaching West Bengal and focusing on the state. This is perhaps the biggest rally that we've seen in recent times, and the biggest controversy that we've seen, why the TMC government has tried its tooth and nail effort to stop the rally in the place where Victoria House, where it was supposed to be held. But with the intervention of High Court, the final permission has been granted and the rally is taking place today. We also see hundreds of supporters who've gathered from different parts of the state, especially Birbhum and other districts which have been primarily the focus of West Bengal BJP, where they have been trying to garner as much support as they can. And also the fact that this is, of course, one of the biggest morale boosting rally for BJP, where they have been functioning from the state, but with the state the total president approaching Amit Shah, approaching the state and also focusing on the state with the 2016 elections, this would be perhaps the biggest performance of the BJP in the state.
Absolutely, and now the big challenge is to get the kinds of crowd, to make a statement there to the West Bengal Chief Minister. Manogya, thanks so much for joining us with those inputs.